They're only supposed to be scared if it can hurt people.
I have to be real strong to not inflict my opinions on him. Wow, Dominance.
Dominance, that doesn't bother you?
I like them.
Good.
Okay.
Wow, Dominance.
Those are my favorite animals because they look like snakes.
Because it look like a snake.
Did he touch the snake?
The worm is so old.
No. She was asking about the other snake. He didn't see the albino.
Oh, the one I had?
What's an albino?
That one is heavy. Got my shoulder.
It's without color?
It's
Or
like
they call
it's
it
just
white?
a solid piece of muscle.
Yeah.
An animal?
I saw a prairie dog.
You saw a prairie dog where?
Mike showed me it. There's two of them. One was in the house.
Oh yeah?
Prairie dog.
Okay, can you put the one back in the earth now?
You can put it back in the
Can you
water.
put it back in the water?
He's not comfortable. But if he
Yeah,
wants
because
to be,
he's gonna die in your arms, in your hand.
they're not supposed to get dry.
I want you to put me.
Okay, I'll follow you. I'm following you.
I'll put my hand in there.
Can we find come over here. Let's put him that way nobody steps on him. You always got to put him down in a safe place. Over there is safer. Then nobody will step on him.
He tickled me.
He's tickling you? Okay, stop right there because your shoes are going to get too wet. There you go. Is he crawling in? Yay, he's happy. You gave him a better place to live. He's going to crawl underneath and hide now.
I like her.
There's a baby one.
Where?
Wait, yeah, that's a baby one.
I have it?
It's hiding. Might be afraid. No, he might be afraid. Leave it. Leave it.
Where's the other one?
It's underneath. He wants to be by himself. Okay, tell him bye.
Bye.
He's very happy now.